Hey guys, Gray Market Safari. You know, I said it would be stupid on the last one to draw a pencil, but fuck it, I'm stupid. Let's draw a pencil. Because everybody loves a pencil. I just read a fantastic thing the other day that standing over the bin sharpening a pencil was the childhood equivalent of a smoke break, and that is exactly it. You'd always have that one kid standing there until his pencil was down to this little fucking nub, and all he had is this little tiny little nub that he could write with, and that was it. Just a nub with a crappy eraser on the end of it. The teacher's yelling at him like, "Jimmy, sit down, damn it! Get back to work." And Jimmy's like, I gotta sharpen my pencil still. It's like, your pencil's been sharp for like fucking half an hour, Billy. Jimmy, whatever your name is. Freaking kid. I don't even remember who you are anymore. You've been over there so long. What kind of pencils does everybody use? Number 2 still? Do you even use a pencil anymore? Or do you just use technology? Personally, I always liked the Barrel Eagles, or the Eagle Barrels. I don't know. That is a big pencil. Here we go. It's gotta have that number 2 so you can take a test properly. There you go. That way you know, so you don't get your Scantron out. You know, let's draw a Scantron in the back. Why not? You get your Scantron out and you go and fill in your bubbles, and you're like, shit, I brought my number 8 pencil from art class. And your teacher just laughs because nobody's got an extra pencil. What do you think this is? 1993? There we go. Do little lines at the top so you can write your class period, and then you got all the bubbles to fill out. A, B, C, D, E. Abracadabra all the way down, kids, if you're ever unsure. I've always wanted to be a teacher just so I could have a test where every answer was B, just to screw with the students, because you know some kid would be like, dude, there's no way, it can't all be B. They'd look at that Scantron, just whoop, straight line all the way down, and they would lose their freaking minds. There you go. That looks pretty reasonable. Pencil, Scantron. You guys are ready for midterms. There you go. Good luck on those midterms, guys. Here's a can of Red Bull too, because you're gonna need that to study. Studying is important, kids. If you don't study, you end up on YouTube trying to draw cans of Red Bull with a sleeping mask over your face. I don't even know what Red Bull looks like. I never drink the shit. I'm trying to draw a picture of Red Bull, and sure, this is a bowl. I feel like this is probably close enough for Pictionary. Most people to understand. Shit, this is the way to do Pictionary. Blind Pictionary. You can use that. What the fuck is going on here? Oh man, this looks like an attack plan. We bisect the building and then we attack their supplies. The Beale Eagle goes in first. Death to America.